Do you have crusty, dirty makeup brushes? Be honest. You can tell me, be honest. I know you do. Um, I'm going to show you how to wash your brushes today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Jennifer with the Wookie Natural, and I have several brushes here. And I decided, my brushes are looking real crusty, y'all. See? Looking real crusty. Got a lot of cake up. So how do I clean these brushes? Now, some of you guys know that I am a Mary Kay consultant. So I use Mary Kay products, and these are all Mary Kay brushes right here. And so how do I clean them? I'm going to show you what I use to clean these brushes. So I have my brush cleaner, which is definitely recommended. Have that. I also have my soap, my Mary Kay soap. I have that. I have Mary Kay cleansing cloth. Have that. And I have our beautiful facial cloths when we were doing live facials, and I just happened to have a few of those. These are so great, you guys. But anyway, I digress. So just to get right into it, I'm going to take some water. Uh, don't look at this jar, you guys. You know I'm a Wookie, and Wookiees use whatever they have at hand. And a bowl. So I'm going to take some of that water and pour some warm water, okay? And I am going to, oops, I'm going to dip my brushes in this warm water, okay? And I'm going to get one of my cleansing cloths. Now you could do this two ways. I'm going to use it, the first time I'm going to use this cleansing cloth. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with these cleansing cloths, what you do is you dip these in water and they suds up. And they have suds on them. Let me see if I can show you the suds. You can't really, okay. I don't know if you can see it on my hand. There's a little sudsing on my hand. So I'm going to take these brushes, dip them in the water right here, and I'm just going to use that cleansing cloth to clean them, okay? And when should you clean your brushes, y'all? You'll be surprised to know that you should clean your brushes every week. Really, after every time you use it. Okay, so I'm going to let that one soak. This is my cream color brush. We use this for our concealer as well as our eyeshadow. So I'm going to dip that in there and use my cleansing brush to get some of that dirt off. You see? Get the makeup and stuff, the residue. Now I decided to use this cleansing brush, this cleansing cloth, because it already has the soap in it. But you can take your brush right here, use your soap, and paint it. But then you get to really see how dirty that was, right? Paint it on the soap to get all the makeup off, and then clean your brush that way. Okay, so just check your bristles, make sure you've got it. Okay, so that's your first step. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you with the rest of these brushes. I'm not going to talk, so I'm going to speed up this video a little bit. Some of these brushes might need to soak a little longer, so I'll soak them in some water because they're really loaded down with makeup because I use them every day. So like you can see inside, this has a lot of makeup. So I'm going to let this sit in some soap. Like I'm going to apply some soap to it and I'm going to let it sit. But the rest of these, I'm going to demonstrate the second step and show you how we can get them all clean, okay? So you can either use this soap dish, you know, this Mary Kay soap. It's used for your face too. You can use it for your face to wash your face or your body, okay? Or you can use one of our cleansing cloths, which is also formulated for the face or the body. It will not hurt your body if you use it. But because these brushes are really loaded down, because I had some crusty looking brushes, so I'm going to go ahead and put these to the side. These are several brushes that need a little bit more time to soak. And I have several brushes here that I can demonstrate my second part of the step. Now, I'm going to show you the light step, and this is the deep cleaning step, okay? So this is the deep cleaning step that I show. So for the light cleaning step, I'm just putting some water in here so I can let those other brushes soak in cleaner water. They got that pretty dirty. All right. Okay, so here are my brushes that are pretty much clean. I'm gonna use the remainder of my water just to let them sit there for a second. Okay, so while I clean up my little area, so I can show you this simple step. Now, if you want to wash your brows every day, right? You want to wash your brows every day. I mean, wash your brows. Of course, you're gonna wash your brows if you wash your face. I'm talking about my brow brushes, my brushes. So if you want to wash your brushes every day after you use them, this is what you do. I'm gonna take one of those smaller brushes just to demonstrate. Okay, so say you've just used this brush. Okay, some dirt is still coming off on that. You can't see it right there, but some dirt is still coming off of that. So you know it's pretty much clean. However, you use your brush, you put your makeup on, you want to clean it. This is the second step. You take this spray and you spritz it. Now this spray, we sell this spray, it sanitizes the brushes, okay? So then you can take it and put it on a towel. I'm using one of our towels, but I'm taking it and I'm cleaning it off. And as simple as that, you guys. You just spray that on there and you clean it off. So this will be my second step for my deep cleaning of my brushes, or my first step if I'm cleaning my brushes every day. If you're cleaning them every day, then you don't have to worry about deep cleaning your brushes. But we know you guys don't clean your brushes every day. I just know it. I know people don't clean your brushes every day. So you just spritz this on here. It's a sanitizer. And it takes the dirt right off. You can see right there. Okay. And then you use it on your spoolie. Now, we used this brush when we were doing facials on people, and we were reusing our brushes. So we use this as a brush cleaner that we would use to ensure that our customers are getting clean, sanitized brushes, okay? So this is something that you can use as well. Okay, so we put those to the side. This next one, I'm just doing the same thing, you guys. I'm taking the excess water off. And when I clean them like this, I let them dry. I let the brushes dry. You see how clean that is? And let me come a little closer so you can see how clean. This one wasn't really dirty. But I spray the spray on. Okay. And I wipe it off. And there you have it, okay? then again. You want to do this because especially when you use products with your eyes, you don't want to contaminate and give yourself an eye infection. So you do want to clean your brushes every week if you can, or after every use. That'll be your best bet, but once a week. But that's a quick and dirty way to wash your brushes. And until next time, guys.